Good morning, Karen Egoff of My Soul Balance, and I'm just excited to share an easy way to get some nutrition in your day. 1 banana per person, and put it in your milk shaker. I use a good high-speed blender, but whatever you have, put it in your blender. Add a little bit of water, probably about I'd say about 8 ounces to 12 ounces. It depends how thick you want it or loose. I put about 12 ounces in here, and then added the banana, and bingo, you have a banana shake. You don't have to add dairy. You're better just to have your fruit alone, and have this 30 minutes before you have maybe a piece of toast or cereal. Have your fruit first. Your stomach works so much better. I've taken nutritional courses from Alive Academy, and I found out, yes, eating your fruit first, 30 minutes before a meal, getting it to a liquid form so you can really digest. Make it a great day. Karen Egoff.